Welcome to another mini language lesson. Today we'll practice a short dialogue you can use in real life. At the bike repair shop, fixing a flat tire. Morning? No problem. Let's pop it on the stand. Yep, there's a tiny thorn in the tread. Patch should hold 8 pounds for the repair, or 12 pounds for a new tube with a 1-year guarantee. Absolutely. Pads have got about 2 millimeters left, fine for now, but worth swapping in a month. I'll note it on your receipt. 15 minutes. Fancy a free coffee next door? I'll shout when it's ready. Brilliant. See you shortly. Safe rides ahead. Sure, I'll top it up to 100 pounds per square inches while the wheel's still in the stand. Of course. Once I'm done, I'll give you a quick demo valve out, pump head on straight, count to 50 strokes. We do 6 pounds and 99 pence, black or high-vis yellow. I'll pop one on the counter for you to grab when you pay. My pleasure. Your bike will be ready in 10. Enjoy the coffee. Well done. Keep practicing and see you in the next one.